Welcome. In this video I will show you how to restore forgotten PIN on your ASUS ROG Xbox Li X. So if you forgot your PIN code, you just have to tap I forgot my PIN option under the PIN field, then wait a moment, and then you're gonna have to tap on it again, or not. Maybe not. Okay, now if you have a local account set up on your device, then you're gonna have to answer one of the security questions you prepared for yourself, in case you for this case exactly. And if you don't remember the answers to your security questions, not even one, then you're gonna have to reinstall Windows from USB in order to regain access to your device. However, we have a video on this topic prepared on our channel, so how to install Windows from USB on your ASUS ROG Xbox Li X. So if you need that video, go ahead and check it out. And now, in case you have a Microsoft account set up on your device, then you're gonna have to select send code right here, and then provide the code that you're gonna receive a code on your email address. Once you receive it, so just check your email right now and check for the last email that you received. You can also check the spam folder, it's rarely there, but yeah, check it too. And then check the code that you received on your email and provide it into the field you see on your screen. Okay, so let me do this too. Then tap sign in. Then you're gonna have to click continue, and then provide the new PIN code for your device, and make sure that you remember it this time. Then press enter or sign in, and now wait until your device boots up into the system, and that's it. You have regained access to your device. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.